As you remember, about a month ago, I did the Chick-fil-A challenge, and, well, I palmed a half a nugget because the nugget was garbage. The nugget was trash, it was defective. The other 49 nuggets were great. So in my book, I ate 50. Of course, some people don't think I did. Well, Popeyes is now getting into the nugget game. They're going now head to head with Chick-fil-A. Because KFC right now is wandering around aimlessly. I mean, what the fuck has happened to KFC? Can someone answer me what the fuck has happened to KFC? I mean, they used to be the top chicken place. The fried chicken, of course, they do chicken right. But KFCs are closing everywhere. They don't seem to do chicken right. Their chicken sandwich was not good. I mean, that was a swing and a miss. I mean, they've rested their laurels on the bucket of chicken, but nobody wants the bucket of chicken anymore. And Popeyes was smart enough to realize that and start the chicken sandwich. And now they're going with the chicken nuggets. And Popeyes, now KFC has the great popcorn chicken. And Chick-fil-A's chicken nuggets are pretty good, similar to the KFC popcorn chicken. Well, now Popeyes is getting involved. And of course, you know, whenever there's something new, I feel obligated to you to try it. And of course, they gave me, I asked for mashed potatoes, but they gave me the gravy, the mashed potatoes and gravy. I want the Cajun fries, I guess. Well, this isn't too bad. I would give this a 5.3. Very mediocre mashed potatoes. Very mediocre. Not creamy. The gravy is not like KFC gravy. The KFC gravy you could bathe in. I mean, KFC gravy, I wish they sold that in jars. You hear me, KFC? Sell your gravy in jars. Well, anyway, I don't know if I could ever do like a 50 nugget challenge with the Popeyes, but I got a nice little box here of 12 of the nuggets. They say they come in pieces. Well, let's see how these nuggets taste as I give a taste test of the Popeyes chicken nuggets. Very dry. It tastes like the crumbs from the Chick-fil-A. Very dry.
How many of these do you think you could eat in one sitting?
Don't think I could do the 50 for sure. They have to be better than this. This is I could get tired of real fast, and I put salt on, and they just don't have. I mean, they're not good. They're not great at all.
Did you like the Popeye sandwich?
Popeye sandwich is pretty good. I'll even do like a little dip in barbecue. So if someone says, "Oh," I mean, they're not horrific. They're not inedible. Burger King's nuggets, they border on inedible. I'm gonna give this a I'm gonna give this a 6.1.